Baby, you ready to go?
Yeah, I am.
We're gonna go skiing up that hill right there.
No, we're just gonna do snow skiing.
You're not gonna go snow skiing? You're not gonna ski?
No, I'm just
wait.
go tubing.
You made me buy these 2 tickets, and you're not gonna buy the ticket?
I'm just gonna do snow tubing. Bye, baby.
Bye. Good luck.
I'll hold on to yours.
Hold me, Mike, and I hold you.
Oh! Woohoo! Woo!
It's gonna go fast.
Huh?
You didn't go fast?
Not fast enough. I'm still alive.
Oh no, you stick to the front one and wound up in the creek. Told you. Hey!
This actually keeps me straight.
You're gonna do the first one again.
Let's do this.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Andale, andale! Andale, andale!
Too much weight.
So did you have fun?
Yes, I have fun in snow tubing.
Snow tubing, did you have fun watching us fall?
I had a lot of fun watching everybody fall doing snowboarding.
Did anybody do good?
Everybody did great.
Yeah, Martha did good on the snow tubing too.
Yeah.
Although she was a little light on the yelling this time. She didn't go ah as much as she used to. Well, we did a skiing for 2021 and we don't need to do it again.
People still
Yeah, people are still skiing, and here comes Andrew.